Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect your iPhone with your car using CarPlay on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on General. In General, you will find the option of CarPlay. Just tap on it. There are two options to connect your iPhone with your car. You have the wired option and you also have the wireless option. Now let's check the wireless option first. For that, just select Turn on Bluetooth. Now after you turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, and if your car supports wireless CarPlay, then just press and hold the voice control button on the steering wheel of your car. Then the signal of your car will appear right here. Then just tap on the signal of the car to connect your car with your iPhone. Now this process might differ from one car to another, so make sure you check the user manual of your car for the exact process. Now if your car does not support wireless CarPlay, then you can connect your iPhone with your car using the wired option. For that, just use the charging cable of your iPhone and connect one end of your charging cable to your car, then connect the other end of your charging cable to your iPhone. After you connect your iPhone with your car using the charging cable of your iPhone, then an option will appear on the screen of the car, asking you if you want to connect your iPhone with your car. Just select Yes, Confirm, or Connect, according to the options available on the screen. And after doing that, you will connect your iPhone with your car using CarPlay. And this is how you can connect your iPhone with your car using CarPlay on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.